Hey everyone, this is BK Brunel, also known as Whisper Prayer. Actually, folks, welcome to Worcester, Massachusetts. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Now this guy is the first, well, it's the second plow we've had today, but the first guy, I don't know if he's, if this is city, or if this is the same person that plowed the street earlier, which would be a private person plowing the street. No, actually, you know what I think? I think he's the relative of my neighbor. In all truth, the city of Worcester should be doing that. You know, people do pay the taxes, and it's not like the state cheats them, so they should have plenty for the plowing. But yeah, we woke up to this morning. It was amazing. 20 inches. 20 inches of snow. My friend who owns this, he's named it the Black Widow. This is my friend Vince Wild's car. You should be seeing his video somewhere's in my favorites today. But yeah, now we have a fresh berm to move. You can see these things are huge. 20 inches of snow equals a lot of crap. My brother and I shoveled this out earlier, and we manufactured this mountain right here. This is our patio. Somewhere's under here is concrete. It's rather amusing, but look at that. Look at that. That's a lot of snow, folks. But yeah, so this is where I live. It's not a very impressive neighborhood. As a matter of fact, I'm trying to get out of here. It's I think they would call it ghetto, but this is pretty much my building. And that's my apartment. I live on the first floor. But this is well, it's a lot of work. A lot of people are going to be breaking their backs, still digging themselves out, and from what I understand, this storm is going to keep going. What a mess. What a mess. Well, this is actually my second video because the first one, I don't know how to hold a camera sometimes. And I tend to hold it too low and you get a good look up my nose. Yeah, it's stupid, right? But again, this is not a whisper video. This is a video footage, kind of a little documentary, if you will, of life in a day of a Worcesterite, especially during a snowstorm. But this is BK Brunel, 74, also known as Whisper Prayer. I'll be seeing you guys tonight and signing off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's my wife in the background. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. As a matter of fact, strike that. I'm not going to sign off just yet. Say hi, Teresa. Teresa, say hi.
Hi. I'm going to kill you.
She's going to be posted for millions to see on YouTube tonight. Now, signing off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.